kaya din nilang sabayan ang bawat step ng kanilang trademark songs tulad ng Knock Knock at Spin Me Round. Kasabay ng pagsisimula ng kanilang Series 11, ngayong taon ay pinakilala din ng new generation of High Five na sina Casey, Lauren, Tim at Feli, kasama ni Stevie na veterano na sa grupo. Nagsimula ang Australian children's show na ito noong 1999 sa Nickelodeon Channel. At matapos ang 10 taon, sa ngayon ay napapanood na ito sa mahigit 200 bansa. Dahil na rin sa kanilang nakakaalin na musika at sayaw, kapag napatok talaga ito sa mga chikiting sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo.
The High Five is very, very fun and rewarding to be in. We get to sing, dance, act, and we get to hang out with children. We have the best fans in the world, and they're very loyal, and we love them for that.
Bukod sa pagiging fun-filled ng kanilang performances, very educational din ang hatid na saya para sa ating mga kids ng High Five. Bawat isa sa kanila ay may assignment sa programa.
I work with words all day and night, and my friend Chad is out of sight.
Si Casey sa World Play segment para sa vocabulary training.
And communicate. Follow the signs to each new discovery. Seeing things and feeling free. Body moving, it's just me.
Si Lore naman sa body movements.
You like to rock and roll dance with me? Let's go!
I love shapes, they are the best. Circles, squares, and all the rest.
Si Stevie para sa Shapes in Space.
I am the shape seeker looking at the shapes. Shapes that are round and curved or shapes that are straight. Making music is my thing, with words and notes and keys and strings.
Si Tim sa Making Music.
Hip hip hooray!
Tricks to the Australian bush. I solve puzzles, big and small. I see patterns all around.
At si Feli sa Puzzles and Patterns.
Oh look, if you put two triangles together, it makes a square.
High Five is a very special job. We get to see kids having fun and having play, and something that we'd all love to encourage with kids, especially in the Philippines. Just keep dancing, keep singing, keep having fun, have a childhood. Enjoy that.
Ayun si Thea. Nakita ko na.
At nang dumalaw sila sa Pilipinas, ay dinayo talaga sila ng mga bagets para makiparty. At maging sila ay napahanga sa mga bibong batang Pinoy.
Ayun si Thea. Ayun.
And every audience we have is different. They're all so amazing at the same time. And performing for kids, it really keeps us honest and it keeps us fresh, I think, because the kids are so happy, they're so excited to be there, and it's really great that we can do it in the Philippines. People here are in love with their music and in love with their song and dance.
Sila ang High Five dito sa Australia, and national sa ako.
Lalo pang naging makabuluhan ang kanilang pagpunta rito ng kanilang dalawin at pasayahin ang mga World Vision sponsored children mula sa Cebu.
I don't think we will ever forget their faces. I think they're totally ingrained in our mind. The smiles, the joy, and the hope they had is something that will stay with us forever. And we, as High Five, are so proud to be World Vision ambassadors. We went down to Cebu and we saw the kids down there. They were happy while we were there. They were happy, and we encouraged that fun. We encouraged that thing. So we really encouraged them to have a childhood. Regardless of who you are, what your standing is, what your status is, have a childhood, have fun, sing, dance, be a kid.
At hindi naman nakapagtatakang mapalapit sa puso nila ang mga batang Pinoy dahil isa sa kanilang miyembro ay isang certified Pinay. Kaya kung meron mang pinakamasaya at pinaka-excited sa Philippine tour ng grupo, walang iba kundi si Feli.
I feel so special to be able to be here in the Philippines and like go back to my roots and perform for everyone here, and I feel like a very strong connection.
Si Feli ay ang ikalawang Pinay na napasali sa grupo. Nauna sa kanya si Kathleen De Leon Jones na nakasama sa first generation ng High Five. Halos isang taong gulang pa lamang daw si Feli nang manirahan sila sa Australia, kasama ang kanyang ama na isang Scottish at ina na tubong Davao. Buhay na buhay daw sa kanya ang pagiging Pinay dahil lagi daw itinuturo sa kanya ni Mommy ang Filipino values.
That means a lot to me. I had one mother come up to me and ask if I was Filipino. I said yes, and she said I'm proud of you. And I love the fact that everyone here, all my best friends that I get to share this culture with, everything, that they love it just as much as I do.
Proud na proud siya na maging isang Pinay at sa katunayan, isa rin siyang tagahanga ni Lea Salonga. Pinapangarap niyang sundan ang Broadway success nito dahil minsan na rin siyang gumanap na Kim sa Australian run ng Miss Saigon noong 2007. At patuloy ang selebrasyon ng pagiging bata kasama ang High Five dahil sila ay magbabalik sa Nobyembre para sa isang major concert para sa kanilang Kiddie Pinoy fans. Kaya para sa mga kids, pati na sa mga young at heart, simulan nyo nang mag-practice para sa susunod na High Five Party.